Hey, good evening. Stay tuned with me as I open my new toy, my new PC. So, without further ado, please join in. Let's unboxing. Let's see what is in here. All right. So stay tuned. I'm going to use a plastic knife. All right. So stay tuned as we chip chat and unboxing. Okay? So it's taped up, well taped up. But guess what? We're going to go through all the tapes. We're not going to open it decent. We're not going to go through all the hustle and bustle. Yeah. So we're going to solder. Hey. Woo. Tired already. So I'm just going to tear through the box. Yes. I'm going to go through it like this and that. Whoa. I don't want to make a mess. I don't want to make a mess, so I'm going to pour this in the sink. All right. Here it is. But wait. There is more to this thing here. There is more to the madness. All right. We want to see how well we can get to this box. I don't have the patience to go through the neatness of the box, but I do hope it works, that I don't have to do a return. Woo! I told you I didn't want to make a mess, but here it comes. The mess right into the drawer. I don't know what YouTube guidelines are, so I'm not going to take out any big cutting tool. Just a little simple. Just a little simple. So I use a plastic utensil. Woo! Here my little gadget comes. Woo! Everything I drop out. And fortunately, I get 2 pens to tap the screen. One fell out, 2 pens. So, it's a HP Pavilion. Look at it. HP Pavilion. I fell in love with this brand because I had bought one for my son and I see how long it served him. So, and it's flexible. Can use as a tablet too. Look what I got within the box. 2 tap the screen pen. Hello. I bought one of this laptop for somebody as a gift. And look at mine. So, I don't know if it's on as yet. I don't know if it's charged, I should say. But here I come. I'm not seeing anything come up on the screen. What a go on here, so. All right. Charger time. I don't see anything. When you touch it, it's supposed to light up or something. I haven't seen anything on the screen, so I don't know what time it is. So let's find out. We'll go right into some charging business. Right into some charging business right about now. So let me find where. Woo! You see, trouble never set like rain. But not coming on. There's a little light in the on button. I haven't seen nothing coming on. So maybe it's dead. So I'll charge it up. Sorry I didn't put it on long time to charge up. So later. Oh, volume up. It says enter, restart the computer. Cockroach. The computer restart. I'll see. All right. There we're cooking with gas. You see my makeup so bright? I'm going to refine it and come back later. Because this one blend out. Nothing no go so. Look here, man. I'll blend it out later and come back. Different style. Different style later. No worry yourself. So, I then bought one for somebody. This pavilion here for somebody. And I fell in love with this newer brand. So I said I'm going to buy myself one. Because I bought it for business. You're going to see how I come back later, refine. Don't worry yourself because this year no go so. Alright, United States is the country. Alright, yes. I'm setting it up. Alright. Is this the right keyboard layout or input method? Yes. Want to add a second keyboard layout? Skip. Let's connect to the network. Okay. Let me look on the fridge to see the one with the family. All right. And then it says, let me see password now. $19 sign. Cockroach. What not type? Oi. Enter network security key. I am entering it. when I type in 1. I'll catch you guys later.